Hello there, how are you? Welcome back to How I Did It. Well, all the things at the beginning of this video were given to me for free, including this, I don't know, how much is it now for a propane tank and propane? Again, all of it was for free. I decided this year, other than getting the barn dominium finished up on the inside and getting my garden up and running, I am going to start repurposing and using things like our grandparents used to do back in the day. You know, instead of throwing it out, take the time to see if you can fix it. Granted, if you can't fix it, then you go purchase it. But my goodness, with the price of everything today, this grill alone at your big box store is close to $400. It's just outrageous. So with that being said, this was given to me by one friend, the granite top was given to me by another friend, and the cinder blocks were given to me by another friend. So I'm just disassembling the top of this grill off of its base because the base is rusted out. As a matter of fact, you can see the metal strip that sheet metal screwed on there to hold it together until I figured out how I was going to do this particular project. Once I got it figured out, then it was just a matter of leveling out the ground, setting the blocks. Once the blocks were set, I put the granite on the top of that, and now it's just a matter of disconnecting the base of this grill from the top and getting it moved over. Now this striker didn't work on this grill, but just in case I decide to go back to that, I opted to go ahead and label the wires. However, as you will see in the video, it's just as easy to do it with a stick lighter as it is with a striker, in my opinion. So with that being said, I went ahead and got that out of there, and then it was time to move the top over to the top of the granite. Yeah, and then I forgot to get the grease can chain. So that bugger had it held up. So this thing was not heavy, it was just awkward. And again, the whole thing is stainless steel, and the beauty of this grill, I had a small grill out here, but this grill has a side burner, and that side burner is going to be a game changer. Saute vegetables in it, boil water for any kind of pasta that I may want, say a big pot of spaghetti. If I want to do my canning, I can actually even use that burner to do my canning. And it's not a perfect outdoor kitchen, but it's solid, that is for sure. Now I had to move my propane up here to the side. The hose was a little bit too short, but once I got that set up, I just used my handy dandy stick striker instead of having the little push button striker that you have to have a battery for. I have a side burner, and now I have an oversized grill. And a little fun fact for you, the little hole that's on these grates, everybody thinks it's for picking the grates up. It's actually to put your lighter down in there to light the burners. Once you light one burner, the other burners will light just by turning the gas on to them. Alrighty, it's just that simple. I now have a mini outdoor kitchen totally free. Y'all have an absolutely wonderful and blessed day. I'll see you next time.